Hi, my name's Jeff Smeltzer. I've been with the team for 4 years now. I'm currently the lead mentor on the mechanical side. Obviously, we focus in on the chassis, any of the things we want to do to manipulate the game elements, and obviously do well at competition. Started 4 years ago when one of the senior students that was involved in organizing the team actually came over to my house, and my son and talked to us about the team and said, hey, would you guys want to get involved or not? It sounded like a lot of fun. In year one, we kind of ran a sub-team. It was a frisbee shooter. It was actually someone to pick up frisbees off the ground. Put about 50% of my time into year one. And then year two, we got a little more involved. Year three, we're here 100% of the time. And then again, year four, we're here all the time too. It's a lot of fun. We get engaged a lot. We actually talk robotics a lot outside of here as we try to solve problems and figure out what the next step is.
And would you say this robotics team has a lot to do with your family and you're very involved with your family?
Yeah, so in fact, like I said, my son's on the team. I'm involved, and even my wife gets involved. She organizes all of our dinners. So she puts together a calendar for all the students' parents, and then contacts them about signing up to bring dinner in for the students, because we're here from 3:30 after school until usually 8:30 at night. So this gives them a chance to eat dinner here at the school, and then continue to build on the robot. So,
How do you feel your mentoring is kind of impacting the students that you're working with?
it's fun to see the growth in the students. So you'll take students that come in on day one that never touched a drill, never used a saw. In fact, I had a student tonight ask me what a washer was. So you just can't assume the students know some of this stuff. So you just take a time to teach them what you know, right? And then just stay there with them, be their kind of their safety net while they go through it the first time, until they get very comfortable with, say, using a horizontal bandsaw or using a vertical end mill or something like that. So it's fun seeing them grow. And in the last couple of years, I've seen a couple of kids really expand their knowledge and their technical skills.
How did last season go?
Last season was a lot of fun. So, the progression, over the 4 years, year one, we went to one competition. I believe we ended up somewhere 39 or 40 out of 60 teams. Spent the entire competition trying to fix the robot. So we were constantly trying to fix it. The pit was a disaster. You just went. After 3 days of that, we were so tired, we were ready to call it a day. Year two, we did a little better. We did have a much smaller team in year two, so it was a little more tough getting some of the stuff done outside of building the robot. And then in year three, it just started coming together. So last year, we would go to the competitions, and we actually exceeded my expectations. I wanted to be one of the alliance teams. In fact, I think we ended up third in one competition, and I think we were eighth in the other one or something like that. So it felt really good to actually get there at the end and be on the field to get to continue to play after lunch on Saturday. So.
Now, how has this season been going?
This season has been a little bit of a challenge so far. The game is very tough. It's interesting. The defenses are pretty cool. So we're actually taking on a new chassis design for us. So each year we try to build on our skills from last year. So year one and two, we went with the standard kitted parts chassis, the tank drive. Last year we actually incorporated mechanism wheels, so we could actually go in different directions and diagonal and stuff. And this year we decided we were going to try and build a swerve drive that's on suspension. So our first time kind of deciding how to build a swerve drive, we designed it from what we've seen online, and then what we know about it, and then we're just putting our own little twist on it to try and get over some of the defenses we have to go. So needless to say, I feel like we're a little behind where we normally are, but I think things are really starting to come together, and we should have a decent robot to put in the bag here in a couple of weeks. So.
How do you hope the competition season will go for us?
I feel like if we can get everything done, we're going to get done. I honestly believe we'll be one of the alliance teams again, to the point where the other top teams look at us and say, yeah, we want to play with this team to get us to the champs down in St. Louis. So that's really the ultimate goal for us this year.
Thank you.